In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Baserow to n8n seamlessly. This process will open up a world of automation and workflow efficiency, allowing you to leverage the capabilities of both tools to manage your data effortlessly. Let's dive right in with the simple steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to start by opening n8n. If you're not familiar, n8n is a powerful workflow automation tool that lets you integrate different applications and services to automate processes. Once you have it open, we'll need to create a new workflow. This is where you'll be setting up your integration, acting as the canvas where all the actions and interactions between Baserow and n8n will unfold. Creating a new workflow in n8n is quite straightforward. Just look for the plus or add button usually located on the interface, and click it to get started. Now that you have a fresh workflow ready, the next step is to add a Baserow node to it. A node in n8n represents an action or a set of actions within your workflow. To add the Baserow node, you'll usually find a list or menu of different nodes you can choose from. These may be categorized either by function or by service, so you'll want to browse through until you spot Baserow. Click on it, and it will be added to your workspace as part of the workflow. Once you've successfully added the Baserow node, what follows is an essential step. You'll need to set up the connection credentials. On the Baserow node, you'll see an option that says Create New Credential. Click on this, as it's where you'll configure the access details that allow n8n to communicate with Baserow securely and effectively. For those using Baserow on their cloud service, you'll be prompted to provide specific credential information. The key detail here is the host field. You'll need to enter the correct host URL, which for Baserow Cloud is https://api.baserow.io. It's crucial to type this accurately, as any errors might result in a connection failure between the two services. Additionally, you'll have to enter your Baserow username and password. Alternatively, if your version of n8n supports it, an API token can be used instead. Using an API token often provides a more secure and flexible way to authenticate your connection with Baserow, so definitely consider this option if it's available to you. After filling in these details, save or confirm them to ensure the connection is set up properly. And there you have it. With your credentials in place, your Baserow node is now linked to n8n, ready to run automated workflows and handle data efficiently. This connection will help streamline your tasks, potentially saving you hours of work and reducing the chance of human errors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating amazing automated workflows with n8n and Baserow.